How are we doing, folks? James Power here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this absolutely mint condition 171 BMW 5 Series 530e M Sport iPerformance Saloon. She comes in this jet black metallic paint finish with the iconic BMW kidney grille up front with the silver trim, the M Sport front bumper, front parking sensors, the BMW LED headlights. Come around to the side, you have the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres with the blue M Sport brake pads. You also have the M Sport badging, the black trim surrounding the windows, the eDrive badging, the shark fin aerial up top. Come around to the back, you have the BMW 530e badging, the twin exhausts, the rear parking sensors to give you that complete 360 parking experience, an automatic trunk, now let's take a quick look at the interior. Now folks, over inside you can see the fully digital cockpit. It comes in the comfort mode, sports mode, eco pro mode. Also on board is the eDrive hybrid settings to allow you to select multiple different efficient modes. You have the BMW M Sport flappy paddle steering wheel. You also have the BMW teleservice that comes as a touchscreen with connected drive, sat nav navigation, enhanced Bluetooth, and many other extras. The automatic transmission, the BMW iDrive system, the 360-degree parking sensors, the keyless push-button start ignition. The interior comes in a black Dakota Sport leather with a platinum trim finish, surrounded by customizable ambient lighting. Fully electric windows, automatic headlights, rain sensing wipers. You also have the BMW active pedestrian safety system, heated seats, air conditioning, BMW SOS service system, fully electric seats, and many other extras. Now folks, that was just a quick look around this mint condition 171 BMW 5 Series 530e M Sport iPerformance Saloon. If you have any questions about this car or any other car in our fleet, please do not hesitate to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is James Power.